Hey, good evening, Facebook friends and fam. This is Dan Ramos from Intelligent Automation, and I'm coming to you from another project location where we just finished wrapping up an install for smart lighting, but this time outdoors, kind of a holiday theme, if you will. So we're going to take you around, show you some new solution. Well, it's like not really new for us, but they've been around for a while, and from an old player. You guys might remember the Philips Hue and those really awesome color-changing light bulbs. Well, Philips has released an outdoor landscape version of these color-changing lights, and they're really nice. So come along, check them out, and let me show you what we got. So we're at a homeowner's house here, and he's got these patio lights that we've installed and helped landscape, and they're really beautiful. I mean, they're color changing, they're dynamic, they're really bright and vivid and vibrant. And yeah, I know you see the Christmas tree up there. Those aren't Philips Hue, but those are intelligent lights that are controlled as part of the whole Philips Hue operation and control. We were able to provide color changing throughout the landscape, as well as give him the capabilities to control his lighting from a single app. As I'm sure you see over there, some more landscape lights here. As we come around, again, kind of get a really good up close look at these. I mean, these lights are bright and amazing. They're absolutely beautiful. They color change and go with your mood, go with what time of year, if you're watching football, whatever the case may be. They're really bright and really beautiful. They provide really nice aesthetics to the homeowner's house. And let me show you. So, come up the front walkway. As you look up the stairs, you have lights all individually addressable, all that can change color in an instant. Provide you some great aesthetics to the home, for up lights, for pathway lights, for anything you want, really. I mean, these lights are amazing. They're gorgeous. God, I want them in my place. Well, eventually, I'll get them. Just not today. But I'm okay with that. That's all right. Because again, this is kind of what we do here for our customers. We provide them with solutions, to kind of design what they're looking for. Now, it's not just pathway lights, as you see here. We also have some up lights. Here, take a look. Here's another light here. It's part of the whole solution, and it's really lighting this tree up. I mean, it looks fantastic. It could be absolutely beautiful. And then we come across here. We have some intelligent lighting here as part of that whole scenario, where we can control these third-party LED lights, icicle lights, for the customer, as well as provide him control of lighting out front to change lights as he sees fit for the holiday. These lights are absolutely amazing and beautiful. So, gotta say, I'm really, really happy the way this came out. So, actually, hold on. Sorry about that. Let's flip this around. All right, so take you around to the back side of the house. You can kind of see what we did in the backyard with the pond and the pond lights, as well as around the pond itself. That came out really, really, really nice as well. So, take a walk with me. I know it's a little jarring, I apologize, but hey, we'll get there as quick as we can. It's a fairly nice, sizable property, so we gotta kind of take it with stride, as they say. Again, backyard, some security lights for back here. Those aren't part of the actual landscape lighting, but they are in play and they are controllable as part of the solution. So let's come around here again. Let's swing the camera around and start from here. Here are those lights that I started showing you before. Come up, and again, noticed if you look around the ground, you don't see any real wires. Everything's clean. Everything came out really, really nice, really beautiful. Really happy about it. If you look over here, that light there, that's also another landscape lighting that is an up light, if you will. So you can control that, provide multicolor lights as you need. Again, this tree here, we're able to provide control through the application, wireless control, really nice. We come to the deck, we come around. Homeowners got some color changing light bulbs on the outside, as well as up in the corner there. If you see it, we're also providing outdoor wireless networking, as well as nice outdoor speakers to provide audio and entertainment when he entertains back here, or when they entertain, I should say. All right, come around to the pathway. More LED lights along the path. As we come to the fountain, you get some more color changing lights here. The nice thing about this is he has a beautiful pond with lots of beautiful koi, and we're able to provide control for that as well. Now, this system here is not exactly part of the Philips Hue system, but we are able to fully control and provide that lovely connectivity and color changing facets as part of an entire integrated system. Very beautiful, very clean, and very stylish. So I'm kind of glad you, for those of you who stuck around, I appreciate it. And, as always, this is Dan Ramos from Intelligent Automation. If you'd like to know more about color changing landscape lighting and outdoor living, even in the middle of, as we go into fall, give us a call. Our number is 888-711-4521. Again, that's 888-711-4521. Or drop us an email at sales@intellimation.com. I look forward to speaking to you soon. Take care.